How to fix PS5 Error NW-102650-4. In order to fix PS5 Error NW-102650-4, try the following steps. 1. Go to the official PSN status page and see if there was / any reported server failure or maintenance. If so, you may take a break. 2. Save your work, try restarting your PS5 and connect your console to a different, fast, stable, home network, highly recommended, via a wired / LAN connection as much as possible. See reasons, IMG, below. Notes, 1. You may need to reconfigure the network settings again. 2. Google tips how to speed up internet connection, if you're using a slow one. 3. For router-based players, review your network hardware installation. We kindly recommend, 1. Bringing your PS5 closer to your router, 2. Removing anything that may be interrupting the connection between your devices. 4. Turn off your router or modem, if any, and wait at least 5 minutes, then restart your hardware. Refer to the following picture to safely remove the power cable. 5. Backup, download, existing router settings via the admin page at 192.168.1.1. Now, ready to update existing perform router upgrade. For details on how to update your router, please contact your own router vendor or Google / review your own router manual / name, follow the official tutorial to get the firmware update completed. 6. If possible, try forwarding the following ports, recommended ones, in your own router. Google how to get the job done. TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479, 4915265535. For help with port opening and / or related router settings, please contact your ISP, Internet Service Provider, or Google some free tutorials on the web. 7. In the network settings on your PS5 console, let your PS5 use a static IP address, for a faster and stable connection possibility. 8. Try changing DNS settings temporarily, use Google, a different, faster and more stable, DNS server instead. 9. You need to leave your PS5 console for a while and cool it down, and you may play some other apps in this period.